Gregory Peck,
Judy Garland,
Bill Powell, and Myrna Loy.
Errol Flynn.
Ford, Hawks.
Fantastic director.
Best role that I ever had. Loved every minute of it. There were so many, many fascinating things happening all the time at MGM. I never forget coming into makeup one morning at 4:30 in the morning. I was the only one in the makeup. No one had gotten there yet because I wanted to wash my hair prior to makeup, and I didn't want to be late for a rehearsal of a dance number that we're doing on a musical, because I did a lot of them there. And I was in there alone, and I stuck my head in the bowl, and I was shampooing my hair, and I had put a towel where I could reach it, and I had soap all over my head, and head down in the bowl, and I felt a hand, I'm talking strong, take my head and just push it further into the bowl, and these fingers were shampooing my hair. I thought, gee, somebody got here, and then I went to reach for the towel, and the towel was given to me, and head pulled back. And who do you think washed my hair? Marlene Dietrich. I mean, do you want to faint? I couldn't talk. I said, couldn't get anything out. She was in that early because she was doing Kismet. She went off to get her gold paint, but she washed my hair before she left. I mean, it's just, those are things one does not forget about MGM.
Beggar Ronald Colman finds himself a stranger in paradise while pursuing Arabian royal Marlene Dietrich in Kismet, Thursday at 10:30 p.m., only on Turner Classic Movies.
Uncork the